About this item: slim aluminum design and ergonomic tilt. The Bluetooth number pad is made of solid and premium aluminum materials for long-lasting use. The ergonomic tilt, comfortable typing, precise control, good resilience, fast response for comfortable typing and good look. Slim style appearance, only 0.45 pounds, 5.7 4.50.35 inch. Perfectly matches your notebook, MacBook Air/Pro, iMac, iPad, laptop or desktop. As the side external numeric keypad. Built-in high-capacity rechargeable and safe lithium polymer battery. It is easily recharged through included USB cable, no need to change the battery. The battery can last around 260 hours on a single full charge of 1 to 2 hours. The Bluetooth wireless keypad also has the auto sleep function. Press any key can wake up the keypad within 3 seconds. Included charging cable, stable Bluetooth 3.0 connection, stable Bluetooth 3.0 connection, strong anti-interference ability. Make the numeric keypad is very easy to pair with your computer, provides you a fast and stable wireless technology lifestyle. Tip: for laptop, desktop, PC without Bluetooth function, you need to use third-party Bluetooth adapter, not included. Before use, widely compatible. The number pad includes commonly used shortcuts, widely compatible with Windows/MacBook/MacBook Pro/MacBook Air/Mac Mini/Surface Pro/desktop laptop PC etc. Note: the 10-key number pad is not compatible with Chromebook. And the page up, page down, search, screenshot and ins key won't work with Mac OS, but other keys and number keys work well. Every HoRiMe Bluetooth number pad will go through a strict quality test process before sending out, as we promise to bring the best quality Bluetooth keypad to our custom 100% quality guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our